Oh, nice, boys. Well done.
We are ready to face our opponents in Ethiopia. The camp is so far so good. We have been training well with our new coaches. The camp is so far moving well with my players. The camp is not bad. The training we are getting from the coaches is so good. We are in a good shape. We are ready to go to face our opponents in Ethiopia. We are ready to go and win the tournament so that we can go to Africa. Yeah.